Hello, Heyday fans. I'm Darren Hager, Chief Everything Officer at Heyday Footwear, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new Mindset. Mindset is our new style. It sits on our completely flat zero drop cup sole, which is stitched all the way around the shoe so the sole will never delaminate. It's in a mix of heavyweight black canvas with a patterned PU side panel here for some additional strength and good looks. The shoe is basically unlined, so you don't have any padding in the tongue or the collar, so it's very lightweight, it's minimal. It comes with our new Velcro super strap. You can see here, which has a D-ring on it and slides right through the back heel loop. This new super strap allows you to really crank down on the strap, getting you great ankle support, and also eliminates the snaps that the old elastic straps and leather straps used to snap onto, because occasionally they would break off or they'd come off too easily. So switching to this new strap completely eliminates that problem. It's got flat black laces. The lining is all canvas as well, with a memory foam footbed. These shoes are going to be fantastic for powerlifting. If you have previously worn Chuck Taylors, you're going to find these to be a major step up from the wide, flat sole, great if you have flat or wide feet, to the memory foam footbed, and just the overall style. It looks totally sick. It's going to be available very shortly. It's not hype. It's Heyday.